and welcome back to the channel. What's going on, everybody? Listen, I'm headed up the hill to check my favorite car, man, a PT Cruiser. It's like a 06 model PT Cruiser. No start, no crank. Actually, tow truck dropped it off. He had to take the battery off because the alarm was steady going off. So basically they have no way to disarm the alarm. Now, I don't know if any of y'all remember, but the older cars, the doors had disarm switches in them, meaning you stick the key in the door and turn, that would disarm the alarm. But the newer stuff don't have that feature. So pretty much the only way to disarm the alarm is with the key, or you stick the key in the ignition and the computer has to see it and turn it on. That way the alarm will go off because the computer think the car owner is present, so turn it off. Well, anyway, I'm here. Here we go. Yes, the battery is disconnected. So let me see what happened. I got the key right here. Inside the car, listen to this. Somebody blowing their horn right now. Listen to this. Starts, and it just died. So it's just, we're starting and dying. Let me do it. I probably got 2 more times before we go into lockout mode. Here we go. It just died. Probably got 1 more. It just died. So so that I'm not getting, like I said, I went on the inputs and wow, it let me go 4 times. Normally you'll get 3. There it is. I'm done. The car is now in theft mode. You, my friend, are a thief, and we will not allow you to crank this car. You either have the wrong key, you either got a key cut to match the ignition cylinders, and that gives you the chance to turn it, but because the chip inside of here is not matching the chip inside of the SKIM module, we will snatch away fuel and not allow you to start. And after 3 of those, we're going to eventually snatch away starting procedure. You will not be able to even crank the car, and that's the state I'm in now. Theft mode, ladies and gentlemen. It started 3 times, and I won't say nothing. And plus the security light is on. So what that tells me is I ain't getting no signal from the key. All right, so I'm gonna have to hook my scan tool up and verify the signals going to the SKIM module. See, that's what I say about the dealer stuff, man. You have ways to see the inputs. In this security SKIM module, there are things called inputs and outputs. There has to be several inputs to allow cranking. If those inputs are not there, it will not crank. And the key, unfortunately, is one of those inputs. So I'm about to get off my phone right quick to use my phone as the scan tool to view the functions. All right, so y'all, I will be right back. All right, I'm back. So yes, I wish I had my laptop out here. I can show y'all the inputs and outputs. Well, it really don't matter if you have no way to see that or chance or view that. It really won't matter. But what I ended up doing while I was offline was while I was using my phone to properly scan the SKIM module, looking at the inputs and the output. Several inputs you have to have in order for the car to crank. So what I ended up doing was going to get a key. I was not getting an input from the key, a signal from the key. This key is obviously dead. I still had a battery hooked up, no functions, no nothing. Now, most people will replace both the key and the SKIM module. If you fighting for money, you want to make sure which one it is, because most of the time it's not both of them. One of them is out. And because I was able to talk to the SKIM module, that tells me that the SKIM was online. It's just I'm not getting a signal from the key. So, ladies and gentlemen, I wish I could have showed y'all what I was doing. You obviously learning nothing from this because I've already did it. I needed my phone to go into the functions and do this. But I'll tell you anyway, what I ended up doing was programming a new key. Okay, so now I had no codes in the SKIM module for some odd reason, but again, viewing the inputs and the outputs told me exactly what I needed to know. There was no inputs from the key. Now there is, because this is a new key and it's been programmed. Programming means I had to get the SKIM module from the parts department. Anytime you got to program something on these Chrysler cars, you got to go to the parts department and get the SKIM code. Now they may ask you to verify ownership of the vehicle, but If it's your vehicle, you don't have nothing to worry about. That should be easy to do. So this car is now running. Like I say, I'm kind of disappointed I didn't get to show y'all what I wanted y'all to see. But at the end of the day, the car is running. I had to program a new key. All right, so that's how I'm gonna end it on this note, on that note right there, man. So thanks for watching, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video.